What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. And I just wanted to show you guys real quick that 84% of y'all are not subscribed, 15% are. And I just want you guys to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for the support. And on the road for me to get monetized and adding this to another stream of passive income for me. And definitely trying to get it there. So you guys help me out. Just hit that sub button. You guys definitely won't regret it. I give great content, and definitely will be giving out things to the subscribers, doing giveaways and different things. Be able to reinvest, the money back into you guys, into the channel, into other things that I'm doing. So yeah, y'all hit the sub button, and then let's get into the damn video. Let you guys see what's been going on with a real what. Okay, so let's look at this. Um, Yesterday I was talking shit, man. Um, on Friday and Saturday I didn't get no sales, and that's the days they did the new announcement. So I was a little pissed about that. I'm like, oh my god, here we go. It's about to be oversaturated, blah blah blah. So Sunday, literally right after I posted those, and then I looked at my account. Um, I got two sales. One was the shirt I was talking about, how it used to be my best seller and it hasn't sold in forever. It sold. And then another shirt that's never sold. So one of them I didn't get, only got, let me just show you this. Yeah, so this one is up at 898. I mean 1899, and this one was at 1307. So this ranked. I turned up the price to 1799. So now we good. We good. Yeah. So that's my new thing that I'm doing. I'm starting everything out at 1799, and then after it sells a few times, going into 1999. Um, I'm just trying to bump up my royalties, because I see people making less sales than me and they're making more money than me. I'm trying to do another December month when I made 137 items. So we about to press up these prices. We about to see where it's going. That's one thing that I want to stretch to you guys. You guys always want to keep a tier 10 mindset. If it's not working, try something new. If it's not working, try something new. Okay? You keep that mindset going into these big tiers, you're going to kill it. Okay? If you're keeping a tier 10 mindset in tier 20,000, imagine the things you can do. So just keep trying things, testing things. Don't be afraid to try things. Um, and that mindset right there will get you far. So today it's 4:41 where I live right now, p.m. I live in Seattle, Washington, if you guys that wanted to know. um I only got one sale, so let's look at that. Let's just go last 7 days. Actually, it's not what it's about today. So this one right here, it's never sold before. This is my first time selling it, and I literally put it up like 2 days ago. And and I'm proud of this one, this design right here, and I know this is gonna end up being one of my big ones. Well, we never know. But one thing that I did that will change you guys' perspective, and it took me to sit down to try to figure out what my flaws were in my merch by Amazon account, and that thing was simply, you know, realizing that I get really bored with niches. Like, I get bored as fuck with a niche and I want to create something different. I'm tired of fucking designing this same thing over and over again. Oh my god. So what I realized was those certain things that I really love, I want to enter those niches. So I had to sit down and think about, everything I do, my hobbies, just trying to get creative with it. My hobbies, certain sports I've played, my religion, my nationality, um, weird things I might like, weird things I might fear, like just 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 getting creative with the things that I know like the back of my hand. And cuz I'm starting to realize I'm getting a lot more sales on the shirts that I know like the back of my hand, you know, because I know those key words, you know. It's hard to just go do research on one thing and learn the lingo. If you already know the lingo to something, you have a higher chance of somebody finding your shirt because you know it like the back of your hand. So that's one thing I want to place in perspective. If you have that same problem where you get tired of niches, you probably would think you're supposed to keep making them over and over again, which is probably best to do that. You've hit hard in the niche and you scale it. But I'll hit hard on the niche and I'll get bored because those are niches that I actually had to do a bunch of research on. I don't know nothing about this lifestyle. I wouldn't buy the shirt myself because it's not something I represent. So I'm just trying to step into those niches that make this fun, make creating fun. Because I realized when I get into those niches that I know nothing about and I have to keep doing continuous research on them, it becomes work. I want this to be fun for me. I find passive income, different passive income things that are fun for me because I don't want it to feel like work. Because when it feels like work, that's when I don't want to do it. So, um, this to place something in perspective for you guys. So this month so far, I made $8.20. Last month ended up being 56. I think this month is gonna really hit hard for me because I'm definitely pressing up my prices, and I really don't give a fuck if it lowers my sales for this month. But I just want to get used to having a higher royalty, and hopefully they tear me up before they change my dashboard because I am eligible for tier 1000 now. So hopefully everything works out in my favor. But yeah, that's all into my account for today and what's going on. Um, I want to tell you guys to make sure you guys check out the descriptions to every video because I have different links and different things that'll help you guys out in the descriptions. And make sure you guys hit that sub button. Give me feedback. Let me know what type of videos you guys want. If there's something you're stuck on in your merch account, or if there's something you don't know and you can't find a video on, definitely just put it in the comment sections. I make sure I reply back to my subscribers. Make sure I love you guys. Just post, let you guys know that I'm reading and I'm active in my channel. So yeah, just give me feedback and I will definitely serve up some info for you guys. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys for this video. Till next time.